Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001. Today, we're diving into the first look at the 2026 Dacia Duster, a bold new chapter for one of Europe's most popular budget SUVs. Known for its ruggedness, affordability, and practicality, the Duster has always stood out, but the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level. Right from the start, the new Duster makes a strong impression with its completely redesigned exterior. Dacia has given it a tougher and more aggressive look, with a muscular front end, Y-shaped LED headlights, a larger grille, and bold wheel arches. The stance is more confident, sitting on a new platform shared with the Renault-Nissan alliance, which brings improved handling and ride comfort. The ground clearance remains impressive, making it a true companion for both city roads and off-road adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 Dacia Duster brings several powertrain options, including a 1.2-liter mild hybrid, a full hybrid version with up to 140 horsepower, and even an LPG option for markets that support it. Dacia is making a clear move toward greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions without losing the simplicity and toughness the brand is known for. The hybrid version especially shines for those who want to save fuel without switching to a full EV just yet. Inside, the Duster has received a much-needed upgrade. It now features a modern dashboard layout, a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, and digital climate controls. The materials are more refined, although still focused on being durable and easy to clean. Rear legroom and boot space are generous for the segment, which is great news for families or anyone who needs a versatile SUV. Safety features have also been stepped up significantly. The 2026 model comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and multiple airbags, marking a huge leap forward for Dacia in terms of driver assistance systems. These upgrades will make the Duster more appealing not just to cost-conscious buyers but also to those who don't want to compromise on safety. What's most exciting is how Dacia manages to offer all these improvements while keeping the price tag competitive. While final pricing hasn't been confirmed for all markets, the Duster is expected to remain one of the most affordable SUVs in its class, continuing to offer unbeatable value. This balance of affordability, functionality, and rugged appeal is what keeps the Duster at the top of the sales charts across many countries. Whether you're looking for a tough daily driver, a weekend explorer, or simply a budget-friendly family SUV, the 2026 Dacia Duster deserves your attention. It combines practical upgrades with bold design changes while staying true to its roots. If this is a sign of what Dacia plans for the future, then they're definitely on the right track. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 Dacia Duster, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Luxury Car 001 for more updates on the latest cars. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider the new Duster for your next vehicle? See you in the next video.